Hello, now we are going to draw a diagram of digestive system. Okay, start making diagram of digestive system. First, the windpipe, the nose and the mouth have the same pipe. Okay, that is called esophagus. Okay, first we make that. Fine, like this. Okay kids. Now this pipe is attached to what? Stomach. Esophagus or food pipe is attached to stomach, like this. Okay, fine. Now like this. Here there is a liver. Liver is most important part of our body, which is attached to a gallbladder. Okay. Liver is most important part of our body. This is gallbladder, what I am drawing. Now, liver. Liver. Okay beta, this is your liver. See, fine, I think this is clear to all. Now third is intestines. Large intestine and small intestine. There are two types of intestine, large intestine and small intestine. Okay, then make like this. Complete the large intestine. Inside the large intestine, at the last, what you have to do? Make rectum and then anus, like this. Okay, in that there is small intestine. How to draw in small intestine? Make like this. Fine. Then draw lines like this. It will give effects of a small intestine, that there is a pipe. See? Fine. Got it? This is a diagram. Got it? Then draw outer part. Like this. Nose, mouth. Okay. This is the stomach part. Got it? Fine. Now just label the diagram. Here mouth. This is esophagus. This is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is esophagus. O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S, esophagus. Stomach. This is liver. Large intestine. And then small intestine. Small intestine, kids. Then I told you what you have to draw. Rectum. And then last is anus. Fine. This is a diagram of digestive system. Okay.